Minister for Art and Culture, Father Alban, our guest of honor for today, friends of Akshada, family, and all the guests. I would request Akshada to escort our chief guest for today, Honorable Minister Govind Gaure, Minister for Art and Culture. Also would request Akshada to escort our guest of honor, Father Alban, who is the parish priest of Sant Agnes Church. Welcome, Father. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Akshada, can you also escort your music arranger, Daulat?
Have a fun.
Yeah.
And could you take your seat as well?
Thank you.
Friends, we are here to release a song, Merry Christmas 2020, by our talented Goan music prodigy, Akshada Bhandekar, in keeping with the festive season of Christmas. Well, 2020 has been a blot for the entire world, a year that has seen grief, sorrow, misery, but nothing is here to stay. Everything is here to pass. And as we all know, 2020 will pass, bringing in a lovely 2021. And we are here on the brink of Christmas, and what a better time than to release a song called Merry Christmas 2020 by Akshada Bhandekar. Well, Christmas, as we all know, is a time for loving, sharing, caring, compassion, kindness, and that's exactly what Akshada imbibes. She is a person right from the heart, imbibes all these values, and she's been close to every kind of social cause that she can work with. For all those who know Akshada, yes, we know her as a musical prodigy, a child who as small as 2 years went up on the stage, where the stage is her comfort zone. And from there has been no looking back. She's been raising funds for various causes at an age as young as 6 years, taking her back to 16 years back in time, where I guess raising funds and charity was not the kind of in thing then. And that's when she raised a fund of amount of 50,000 and in a concert, in the first public concert, and donated it to the Tsunami Relief Fund, the Prime Minister's Tsunami Relief Fund. From there she has gone on to have various causes donating proceeds of 75,000 to the Sanjay School, further on scholarships for girl child. Her main mission is to save the girl child and empower the girl child. So besides all this, she's a very meritorious student. I've had the benefit of tutoring her, and I guess her strength lies in giving her 100% to what she does. So not only music, let's remember she's a qualified engineer in electronics, but of course music is a passion which drives her. I would like to say that what stands strong in her is her humility, which I guess she's imbibed again from her father, who is the Dean of the Goa Medical College, Dr. Shivanand Bhandekar, and of course her mother, who is an executive engineer, shows the same kind of humility. So that's what is her mission in life, to use music as a platform, send messages across, and use it as a means of uniting the whole world together. So today we are privileged to have with us our Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, who will release her song entitled Merry Christmas 2020. Sir, we would be privileged if you do us the honors. letting not only her intelligence rule but also her heart rule over her. So Akshata, we would like to hear a small message from you to not just the world but specifically the youth of today, you being a kind of icon of the youth in today's world.
Honorable Minister for Art and Culture, Shri Govind Yadav, respected parish priest, Father Albano Fernandez, Daulat and Ma'am Deirdre, and to all you distinguished members of the press. Tomorrow is a very special day for Goa. It is our 60th Liberation Day. And to put it quite plainly, this is my Christmas gift for Goa. Thank you. We all know that Goa has come a long way from 1961. We know that people from all walks of life and all religions live in harmony in Goa, and that is why we are known all around the country and around the world as a state of peace and harmony. I mean, anyone who comes in here, they just can't help but fall in love with the beauty of our land and our people. So, you know, one of the major festivals that take place in Goa is Christmas. It's celebrated with such pomp and fervor, and people get in the mood right from the 1st of December all the way to New Year. So I've tried to capture that essence of Christmas in this song. For me personally, I have so many exciting childhood memories growing up and, you know, just looking forward to Christmas Day. I have this really favorite quote which says, that is what I've tried to put in the song. And also I've tried to sort of incorporate the message that this song is my present. It's a present in the form of a song, because the thing about Christmas is that it's not just the materialistic, you know, present that you buy from the store and you give away with the fancy paper. It can be something as simple as a lending hand to someone in times of need. And I think what is more important is the love that you put into it. So, and especially in this year, 2020, when the whole world has required a lot more love than usual, I really hope that this song, you know, sort of brings a lot more color and happiness to people this Christmas. So that was the intention. And so let me just quickly, before I finish, thank the Honorable Minister. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Father. And Daulat, of course, he's the one who arranged the music on the track. And also Ma'am Deirdre, thank you so much for bringing the color to this little event. And with that, I will finish my little bird.
Shri Govind Gowde, I'm sure you would love to say a lot about Akshata. In a nutshell, we'd like to listen something from you.
सगळ्यांक म्हजो मायमोगाचो नमस्कार. आजच्या मेरी क्रिसमस 2020 अक्षताबाई मानेकरान सुंदर अशें गीत आनी आल्बम सबंद गोंयकारां मुखार हाडिल्लें आसा. तेवूय बीन एका फाल्यां गोंय मुक्ती दिनाचे पूर्व संदेशा वेळाचेर. आनी हें आज लोकार्पण जाता आसतना म्हजे बरोबर उपस्थित आसात आमचे फादर श्रीमान आल्बम, त्याच प्रमाणे बाय अक्षता, त्याच बरोबर ज्यांनी हे म्युझिक कंपोज केल्लें आसा ते दौलत, आमच्यो मॅडम, त्याच बरोबर मिसेस बानेकर. हांगा उपस्थित आशिल्ले तुमी सगळे म्हजे मित्र मंडळी. कारण तुमचे शिवाय आज संपूर्ण जो जग आसा किंवा देश जो आसा किंवा आमचें राज्य जें आसा तें कनेक्ट जावपाक शकना. तुमी सगळे म्हजे मित्र मंडळी. सगळ्यांच पयलो हांव अभिनंदन करता अक्षताबाईचें आनी ताका मुखाल्ले कारकिर्दीक हांव शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतां. हेजे पेक्षा बरे तरेची गितां, बरे तरेचे आल्बम तुमी मुखार हाडून ह्या देशाची सेवा करपा खातीर तुमकां उदंड आयुश्य मेळचें अशें हांव देवा लागीं प्रार्थना करतां. In one of the quote, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, "Action without vision is a passing a time. Vision without action is merely a daydreaming. But action with vision can change the world." म्हाका दिसता ज्या तरेन आमच्या अक्षताबाईचो आमच्या मॅडमीन ज्या तरेन एलॉबरेशन केल्लें आसा आनी अक्षताबाईक हांव बरेंच ल्हानपणा पासून हांव वळखतां. कारण हांवूय एक ल्हानपणांतल्यान कलाकार खुबशे फावटी गाड भेट जाताली, ताचे गितांय हांव आयकतालो. आनी अशें दिसतालें मुखार एक खंय तरी एक स्टार जातलें आनी म्हाका दिसता यू आर अ स्टार टुडे. आनी आजचे यूथ जे आसात ते यूथ तुका डेफिनेटली फॉलोअप करतले, कारण ज्या तरेन तुवें आज स्वप्न बाळगिलेलें आसा. हांवें म्हणिल्लें आसा की विजन विथ एक्शन. जे स्वप्न कितें आसा की ह्या देशाची किंवा लोकांची सेवा करप, जाणें तुवें आपल्या कारकिर्दींतल्यान प्रूव केल्लें आसा की वुमन एम्पावरमेंट आनी खास करून आजची जी भुरगीं जी आसात त्या भुरग्यां भितर एक घटसाण दिवप, घटपण दिवप हें खूब एक व्हडलें स्वप्न जावन आसा. आनी स्वप्नाक जर गवसणी जर घालतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता अथक मेहनत, कारण एक कलाकार जेन्ना घडटा तो एका रातीन किंवा एका वर्सा भितर घडना, कारण ताका सराव लागता, ताका प्रॅक्टीस लागता. आनी जो पर्यंत प्रॅक्टीस किंवा रियाज करता आसतना वेगळे वेगळे पलूस, कारण ज्या वेळाचेर कला म्हणून जेन्ना आज आमी पळयतात त्या वेळाचेर खुबशे स्पर्धा आसात आनी ज्या स्पर्धेंतल्यान तूं आज तयार जाल्लें आसा, जे एनवायरमेंट इज खूब म्हत्वाचें आसा. आनी तें एनवायरमेंट म्हाका दिसता जशें मॅडमीन म्हणिल्लें आसा की तुमच्या घरांतूच एक कला म्हणल्यार फादर बाय प्रोफेशन अ डॉक्टर एंड इज अ डीन, मदर बाय प्रोफेशन एन इंजिनियर. म्हणल्यार ह्या इंजिनियर सुद्दां एक कलात्मक ते हें आसा. डॉक्टर सुद्दां ज्या वेळाचेर एका पेशंटाक ट्रीट करता त्या वेळाचेर ताका वेगळी कला ताच्या आंगान भितर आसची पडटा. आनी मनीस जेन्ना जन्माक येता तो प्रत्येक वेळार कलाकारूच आसता, फक्त वेगळी वेगळी नवी डायरेक्शन दिवपाची आमी आसतात. आनी तातूंत भितर तुवें परत एक इंजिनियर, आनी त्या सगळें घेवन आज मुखार वता आसतना खूब बरें दिसता. आनी भुरग्यां भितर आज एक प्रेरणा तुवें आज मुखार हाडून दिल्ली आसात की आपुणूय अशे तरेचे काम करून ह्या गोंयान भितर किंवा ह्या भारतान भितर जे कुंकुवत जे घटक जे आसात जेंकां खरोखरच दुसऱ्यांचो कोणाचो आधार जाय पडटा असो तांकां तूं आधार करपा खातीर मुखार वचचें आनी त्या खातीर तुका बरी तरेची भलायकी आनी यश प्राप्त करून दिवचें अशें हांव देवा लागीं परत प्रार्थना करतां. ज्या वेळाचेर मेरी क्रिसमस हें सॉंग जें आसा हांवें पर्सनली आयकलेलें आसा, तातूंत भितर जो फील जो आसा, तातूंत भितर जें म्युजीक जें दौलत बाबान जें कंपोज केल्लें आसात आनी तातूंत भितर क्लियरिटी इट टचीस टू द हार्ट ऑफ एवरी गोवन आनी एवरी इंडियन सुद्दां आमी म्हणल्यार जाता, कारण ज्या तरेन तें सॉंग आज प्रेजेंट केल्ले आसात आनी जो वेळ जो कोरोनाचो काळ आसून सुद्दां आमी तो जगाक जो संदेश दिवपाक जाय तो संदेश बाय अक्षता बायन सुंदर रितीन दिल्लो आसात. आनी ताजेंच एक 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 ही गोष्ट मुखार व्हरपा खातीर सबंद गोंयकारांनी ताणें जे कडेनचे अपलोड केल्ले आसा तुमी ते लायक करचें, शेअर करचें, जाणून करून नवें सॉंग हाडपा खातीर ताका एक प्रेरणा मेळची. कारण जो पर्यंत कलाकाराच्या फाटीचेर आमी शाबासकेची थाप दिनात, जो पर्यंत आमी तेजेर पूर्णपणे प्रेम दाखयनात, जो पर्यंत आमच्या सगळ्यां सारकेलो तुमच्या सगळ्यांचो आशिर्वाद ताज्या फाटल्यान ना, तो पर्यंत ताका नवें काम करपा खातीर ताजे भितर उमेद येवपाना. आनी हे उमेदीचें खीण, उमेदीचें लार ताजे जिवनाक येवपा खातीर तुमच्या सगळ्यांची सासाय ही खूब म्हत्वाची आसा. हे हांव सबंद गोंयकारांक आनी भारतीय जे हें सॉंग आयकतले तुमकां हांव आव्हान करतां, तुमी तें मुजरत आयकचें, ताका फिडबॅकूय दिवचो, ताजें एप्रिशिएशन करचें, जाणे करून आमकां मुखार वचपा खातीर सगळ्यांचो हातभार लागचो. कला आनी संस्कृती मंत्री ह्या नात्यान हांव सातत्यान म्हणलेलें आसा की कलाकारांचो मान राखप, कलाकारांचो सन्मान करप हें म्हजें पयलें कर्तव्य जावन आसा. आनी तें कर्तव्य पार पडटा आसतना अशे तरेच्या आज उबळत्या कलाकाराक, युवा तरणाट्या दमाच्या कलाकाराक मुखार येवपा खातीर आमचे कला आनी संस्कृतीक वेगळे तरेचे आमी एवॉर्ड्स दितात, आमी तांकां मुखार हाडपा खातीर वेगळ्यो योजना आसात, त्या योजनाचो प्रत्येकान बेनिफीट घेवचो अशी मागणी करता. परत एकदां अक्षता बायक आपले कारकिर्द तुवें जी आज चूज केल्ली आसात तातूंत तुका उदंड यश प्राप्त करून दिवचें अशें ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना करता. आनी हें करता आसतना कुटुंबाचो आधार, कुटुंबाचो सपोर्ट हो खूब म्हत्वाचो आसता. आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान म्हाका दिसता युअर पेरंट्स तूं जेन्ना ल्हान आशिल्ले त्या वेळाचेर तुका प्रत्येक ती कार्यक्रमाक घेवन वताले, हांवें म्हज्या स्वताच्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलेले आसात. आनी एक ज्वलंत उदाहरण जावन आसा की जो पर्यंत पालक आपल्या भुरग्या भितर आपलो वेळ दिनात तो पर्यंत अशे तरेचे कलाकार घडपाक खूब अवघड आसात. कारण प्रत्येकाचे पालकाक हांव परत ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान उलो मारतां की आपलो भुरगो जर घडटलो जर तर तेजी जर नाव आणि त्याची वळख जर निर्माण जर करतलो जाल्यार शिक्षणाच्या बरोबर कला आणि खेळ हो अत्यंत उपयुक्ती अशी गोष्ट आसा हे माध्यम जावन आसा कारण तातूंतल्यान आमकां सुख केन्ना मेळटलें सूख आमकां केन्ना मेळटलें की ज्या वेळाचेर आमी जगप्रसिद्ध जातलीं ज्या वेळाचेर आमी खंय एका वाटे वयल्यान चलून वता आसतना अरे तें अक्षरा बांदेकर हू इज शी इज अ सिंगर शी इज अ कंपोजर शी इज अ ग्रेट पर्सनॅलिटी अशे तरेचे ज्या वेळाचेर आमकां तेन्ना एडजेक्टीव मेळटले ताका विशेशण आमी लायतले तेन्नाच आमी म्हणटले की आमी जिवनाक जन्माक घेवन आमचे खूब सार्थक जाल्ले आसात आणि अशा वेळाचेर परत एकदा ताजें अभिनंदन आणि मुखावेल्या वाटचालीक हांव शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करतां म्हज्या हातांतल्यान हे आल्बम रिलीज केले बद्दल तुमचे सगळे कुटुंबाचे आणि खास करून मॅडम फादर हांव तुमचे सगळ्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करतां आणि खास करून म्हज्या कार्यालयाक तुम्ही तुमचे स्वतःचे एज अ कलाकार म्हणून पांय लायलो त्या बद्दल तुमचे हांव सगळ्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करतां आणि म्हजे दोन शब्द सोंपयतां जय हिंद जय
Right from the start, I know everyone has been echoing the same thing, you know, when will it be Christmas, when will we be done with this year? So this song basically encapsulates all of those feelings. And of course, this year has required a lot more love than usual. I hope this song brings in that extra color and flavor to your Christmas. And just Merry Christmas and have a safe festival, everyone.
This is the first song you are create on this first time.
No, actually my first Christmas song called A Christmas Song came out in 2018 and this is my second one.
Just a COVID time तुमची माइंडार कसो गेलो की this Christmas song.
Yeah, so COVID basically was quite a shocker. I mean, we were not ready for, you know, the kind of scale of the pandemic that has occurred all over the world. And everyone has been in the same boat right from the start. There's been a lot of isolation, you know, and in isolation our imaginations have gone wild. We've all tried different things and I think we've really found solace in art. So that is basically what I've been doing all year as well. So yeah, this is the product of that.
Yeah, how many time is gone timing?
Sorry?
कितली time घेतलेलो हे song create?
Third time now. To write the song, I just took about a day, and then I recorded the vocals, sent it over to Daulat, who's the one who arranged the music, and that's how we worked. So 2020 was the whole year where everything had to be done online, right? So this project is no different.
Just two-line title song.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
It's been so scary since January, but somehow we made it here and now. It's December, so just remember to replace the fear with cheer, 'cause it's the time of the year.